Hey y'all, for Foodi Friday, we're gonna unbox a new toy!
All while having a whole lot of fun. And step away from the foodie.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another Foodi Friday from recipes.crock.com here on asgoodasitgets.com. Are you confused yet? Because I know I am.
And we're home!
We're home! We are home, and we are still unpacking from a 6-month trip out west, out east, out south, out. We are out.
Now, but you guys are just gonna, when the travel videos resume.
Yeah, now that we're back home, I can start editing more videos. Boss is on me.
Then you're still going to be traveling a lot on Wednesdays on the channel. But we are physically back home, and we're very, very excited.
In our very own great big kitchen. Look at this! I can go here, I can go here, and I haven't touched her once. I did then. But we are home. We are happy to be home. It's great to be back home with friends and family and still be with y'all, and we're celebrating. Because speaking of unpacking...
So because we have much more space...
We want much more toys.
No, we thought it would be a really good opportunity to have something to test that might be just a little bit bigger.
And it might keep me out of trouble.
Yes, if y'all might recall, we will show you a scenario here in a moment about how my poor 6.5 quart foodie became a victim of the mashed potato-nator. And so,
the mashed potato-nator. There's my new name. I'm the mashed potato-nator.
So, and we also told you recently on a video that Foodi had the pots, so you could reorder them.
Yes. They had them stocked for like a day.
Yes, and we got an order in before they were back ordered, but our order somehow still got back ordered. So we still haven't got our 6.5 quart pot, and that makes me very sad.
Oh, Foodi, we would like a new pot, please.
So what we decided to do is to make amends.
I got my wife an early birthday present. It's more like a I'm sorry present, and it is a 8-quart Ninja Foodi. Can y'all see that? Can you see it? Can you see it right there? I better be careful not to drop that because I'm pretty sure I would die.
Please be very careful. So we are going to unbox the 8-quart Ninja Foodi. As you folks for Foodi Friday know that we are huge fans of the 6.5 quart.
I get excited when you let me play with my pocket knives.
I'm not sure you should be trusted.
I'm not going to make mashed potatoes with them.
We thought we would unbox that for you today and give you some first impressions.
Are you excited yet? I know I am.
I'm very excited. So really quickly, before we open this, I was just going to let you guys know that this is 1700 watt Foodi, where the other one I think is 15, isn't it?
So you're going to use more watts?
Exactly.
In fact, it says right there, it includes a 1700 watt Foodi with attached crisping lid, XL family size cooking pot, 8-quart ceramic non-stick coating for easy cleanup. Do not make mashed potatoes in this. Cook and crisp basket, 5 quarts, optimizes airflow and fits a 7-pound chicken.
That's a big chicken.
Pressure lid, quickly tenderize and cook ingredients, reversible rack for steaming, broiling, and layering ingredients, cook and crisp layered in, served for increased capacity in the cook and crisp basket, also includes chef tasted recipe book, 45+ recipe inspiration guide. Let's open her up. What do you got? Show me.
So what are you most excited about in regards to a bigger Foodi?
More food.
I am most excited about a bigger air fryer because I love the Foodi's air fryer. Okay, so if y'all recall from our first unboxing, I highly recommend if you are new to the Foodi world or electric pressure cooking to get this little cheat sheet out of here. And I laminated my last one because we all know that I do that kind of stuff. And I kept it with me until I kind of got a handle on things. So I would highly recommend that you pull that sheet out. If you don't keep anything else in this packet handy, definitely keep the cooking cheat sheet because it's going to help you. The styrofoam.
This is the fun part.
Ow!
Not that. What are you laughing at?
So we have got the...
Bigger trivet.
Is it bigger?
It looks, well, if it's for an 8 quart, I would think it would be bigger.
It looks bigger. We'll have to compare here in a little bit. So this is the most useful, I should take it out of the packaging, most useful accessory that came with our Foodi in the 6.5 quart, because what we found is we like to use this when air frying better than we even like to use the air frying basket. So what we would do, pressure cooking, we'd put it on this low setting like this, and we could put like meats and things like that and then use the handles to pull out the meat from the juices.
Yes.
And when frying bacon, you could put it on the low and it just perfectly cooks those strips of bacon just exactly how we want it. And then when you want to use the broil feature, you can pop
flip it up
like
and
this.
broil some good steaks, and it does work well for steaks.
So we like this, we like that dude a lot. And now we have
Here's your pressure lid.
our pressure lid that goes, so anytime we're doing pressure cooking. Now, fun fact, we do not have any 8 quart pressure cookers. All of our pressure cookers are 6 quart, except for our Foodi, which is 6.5.
Yep.
So this is our first 8 quart. We're excited about that because that means we can...
More food.
We can think a little bit more about batch cooking and stuff like that. So we're excited to try that.
And now for the star of the show.
Okay.
Can you lift that out of there?
We'll see.
Let's see if you got muscles.
You know what? I'm going to put this on the floor and lift the Foodi out instead of trying to lift
That'd be a good idea.
above my head.
And there it is.
Hang on.
They put a lot of cardboard in that box. Ta-da!
All right.
Let's unwrap this puppy.
Hang on. It's not even. There. Well, there we go.
And there goes her. I didn't do that. I did not do that. I did not do that.
Box is out of the way. She's showing her hind end to you instead of the front side. So,
Well, finally her and not me.
so we're going to turn this around. Okay.
So pretty, so big.
First impressions. It doesn't feel tons heavier because the other one feels heavy too.
Yeah.
So I would say that's surprising to me.
It's a kitchen and a pot, so.
Yes. And so we're going to open this up. I can't wait to kind of, oh.
They come with another rack. You got 2 racks.
Oh, I bet one to fit inside of the air frying and one to fit inside of the, oh, I see.
Nice.
I see what you did there. That's kind
Good job,
of cool.
Foodi.
Okay, so their air frying basket is a lot deeper, but this rack, which is very different from the 6 quart, makes it so that you can stack inside this guy.
Oh, dude.
See? So now you have 2 levels of air crisping to do. This should be interesting, especially with like our Brussels sprouts, which I always have to do in 2 batches. I wonder if I can get...
We're going to have to test that out and see if we can do a double
one batch.
And maybe a double batch of bacon too in that. Maybe.
Yeah. We'll have to
because
see.
we need to raise the bacon up. But we're going to show you something else that's kind of cool here in a little bit. We got another accessory to show you.
Yes.
After, here, let's take the Frisbee out. You guys want a Frisbee? There you go. And look at that.
And look at this precious non-scratched bowl that you don't touch.
That's right, because when I touch them, this happens. There we go. So, bigger pot for sure.
Yes.
Look at that. Holds max of 24 cups. That's 8 quarts. And look in there. Look, just look. No scratches. No scratches.
Nope.
Yay, yay, yay.
So this is what we were talking about when we do our bacon, is we usually do it like this.
Yes.
In our other Foodi. So this is a little bit, we'll have to test it both ways and see which way we like the best.
Hey, where'd that rack go? Where'd the other one go, the little rack?
The little guy is right here.
Will that fit? Can we put it, I wonder if we do it outside there and then set that rack, set that rack in here like this when they go. Oh my goodness, double rack of bacon right there, baby. Oh my gosh.
We'll have to see.
So much fun in playing with this.
We'll have to see. I know some folks like to hang their bacon I've heard a lot of you guys tell me that. And maybe we'll test it again, because the first time we tested it, I did not like how it turned out. But I'm a very particular person when it comes to my bacon. I like it to have, I know, my hair is everywhere.
Going everywhere. Mine is too.
I like it to, I really like cooking it flat and how it creates a consistent texture.
So this one still has the same thing. You've got the broiler up here, you got the fan and everything, you got the broiler behind it, or the broiler in front of it.
Yes.
So you can still air fry, you can broil, you can slow cook, you can pressure cook.
And then when you want to pressure cook,
pop that big old lid on there.
This is your lid.
So it sits on there.
And I always do it wrong. Wait, it goes this
that
way.
Other way. You want to turn it a quarter turn. There you go. And
no, not me. Here. Wait, I don't think that we need that.
Maybe the rack goes out, and then that goes there like that, and then
putting lids on with as good as it gets. Look at the blue sticker that tells you exactly how to do it too.
Oh.
No, honey, you're in the back. No, really, we're professionals. Okay, it says to start it like this. There. Why isn't it? Is it because it's not plugged in? It's like something's... That pen is out. Okay, so there it is on that. Because I wasn't looking on the front. On the front, there's a nice little indicator that tells you exactly how to do it.
You know what I've learned is if you read the directions, usually things work better and you don't break them near as much. So, oh yeah, I almost want to keep that sticker there.
We can take it off. Well, there's like an actual emblem on the front, so you don't have to keep the sticker if you actually look.
Can I show them the other thing we got?
Yes.
We got this. It is a dehydrating rack because Daddy gonna make him some jerky. Daddy's gonna make some weird jerky. We were talking about this yesterday, and we found a recipe.
And we'll link it if we show you guys anything.
We're gonna test it and see if it works or not. But I'm gonna call it pickle jerky. But you take dill pickles or sweet pickles or something like that, and you dry them and then dehydrate them, and they make for great pickle snacks. Hey, look, they come with frisbees too. This is fun.
So it's a dehydrating rack. So
I'll clean that up later.
Yeah, the 8 quart comes with the Dehydrate Feature. I don't believe you can buy an 8 quart without the Dehydrate Feature. Now, your 6.5 quart feature, foodies, some of them come with the Dehydrate Feature and some of them do not. And ours is, I think, 302 is what it's called.
Which does come with it.
And it does have the Dehydrate Feature, but we've had it for, what, 9 months now?
We've yet to make any jerky.
And we haven't made anything with the dehydrator, so we're going to start testing that. And, honey, I think it's this.
Oh, it goes on that. I wonder if it came with directions I threw away.
I'm sure they're inside that box.
So you go like this, you go like this, and you slide this in there
it's
like
like
that.
A puzzle!
Yay, I like puzzles. I'll figure it out sooner or later. So you can make...
I swear, me and this lid.
I am going to make so much jerky in this.
If you could only get it together.
Yes! Like that. And then this one goes there like that. And then one more on the top like that.
Wow.
Just like that.
So,
jerky rack.
The really cool thing about that is that you can take it all apart to like lay all your food out and then stack it
on together.
so you're not like trying to,
because they just come out just like that. They don't, they hook in on the sides.
And part of me wonders if you couldn't use one of these like on its own to do pizzas in the air fryer. This has been a very disjointed Foodi Friday.
Yeah. Hey, we ain't got no food for you. Well, I take that back because if you remember, we didn't have a Foodi Friday last Friday.
Well, that's a story for another day.
Yeah. It goes a little something like this.
Pressure came down all on its own. I didn't even have to quick release. So, I'm going to pull this out. Oh! Whoa. But I'm still recuperating from that massive fail of a Foodi Friday taping. But now that we're home, we are very, very excited to get to cooking both with our foodies and with our Instant Pots. and with our crock pots, and step away from the foodie. If you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, please click subscribe and you'll become a member of our slow cooking, foodie loving family. If you would like notifications every time we upload a video,
click the ding-a-ling! Ow.
But whatever you do,
Laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
I'll let you clean that up. I'm not supposed to touch it.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the